Welcome. Today, question 17. Little rain is going on. Some slight disturbance is there. I have been waiting since past 2 hours for rain to stop. It stopped, no doubt, but slight drizzle is there. So I think, listen carefully. Question 17. Class, again some trigonometric calculations. Like last time, you can write here. Like last question. Last question, that is question number 16, last class, already over. Okay, see. For a thorough understanding, I have taken the same type. See here, 9 meter. Last time also 9 meter. Height 3.5 meter. Divide into 3 parts. But of course, last time hinge here, roller here, I interchanged. That is not a problem. See, then. Again, everywhere loads are there. See. A, B, see. C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G. Everything same as last time. Now, 1 minute now, observe correctly. Last time, see, this is the last class. See, this is question number 16. Already explained last class, see. There also, see, this was 9 meter. Total 9. This was 3.5. Same names, same type of loads. See, make a note. Understood. Last time I told. AF equal to FG equal to GB equal to total divided by 3. So each will be 3 meters. See, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. This also same as last time. See, last time also I wrote here how much. Last time also I wrote here how much. I wrote 3 meter here, 3 meter here, and 3 meter here. There is a reason for it. 3 meter. Okay, then. Last time, see, this is last class question. Little problem here, joining problem. 1 minute. See, it is somewhere here. Okay. Okay, now okay. Okay. Last time question. See now, these points are over. Now join here, join here, join here, join here. Now from here, last time this point was midpoint of this member. See, midpoint of this AC, this point. Last time. This was midpoint of BC and all trigonometric calculation I have done. But this time, see, it is not midpoint. See, instead of joining F to midpoint of this one, from F here, draw perpendicular. See, it is given perpendicular, perpendicular. This is the only change for this question compared to last question. Now, see correctly. When you find reaction, see what you require. We need. Last time I told. Once again I won't tell. Actually, you should go to last class, study properly, and make a note of everything. See, when you take moment, I do one thing now. I'll show some forces here. See, this is D. Just to understand, see here. Downward force, right side force. Then here, downward force, right side force. Here, downward force and left side force. See, when you take moment about either A or B, whatever you require. See, last time I told, moment about any point. See, this force into last time, this distance. In this question, we will take moment about this point. It is this distance. So, vertical load, you need this distance. Horizontal load, you need this height. So, last time I told you, see, to find reactions, you require AD dash and DD dash. See, AD dash, yes, last time question required. And this load into midpoint, this into 3.5. This load into, if you take moment about this point, the total length minus this distance. This distance is this distance only. So, to find reactions, we need what? AD dash from here. See, this last time question. From A to D dash, or here also. See, from A to D dash and D dash to D. See, DD dash, this is D point, okay, D. You require DD dash and AD dash. Last time also same thing. To take moment, any point, you require AD dash and DD dash. Last time, full trigonometry solved. We got the value of which one? Last time, see, last question we got DD dash 1.75 and AD dash 2.25, and also theta 2, theta 3 we got equal. See, we got equal. Okay. Now later for method of joint you require theta 1 here. Here also theta 1. See here. Theta 1 equal to get theta 1, use the full triangle. See, CC dash divided by AC dash. CC dash is 3.5. A to C dash is 3 plus another 1.5. So theta 1, there is no problem. It is same as last time. And theta 3, see here, this CC dash by FC dash. See here also. Theta 3, tan theta 3 equal to CC dash by FC dash. CC dash is 3.5. FC dash is 1.5. Oh, that also same as last time. But to get theta 2 last time, see, you require tan theta 2 equal to DD dash by D dash F. Anyway, once you get AD dash, this is 3 meter. See, this is 3 meter. Once you get AD dash, D dash F is 3 minus this distance. You got this distance. Then tan theta equal to this DD dash already calculated. Divide by that one. That's how you got theta 2. But then last time something I told. If I am writing examination, I will not do any of this calculation. I will use my mathematical concept. But you do like this only. You don't go for such things. Dangerous. See, such concepts, if fully clear, nothing to worry. But dangerous. Still I will tell. See, I am 100% sure. Last time question, see, I told you last question. I am explaining last question, which I have not told in the class. I told something, some tricks I told. If you use the tricks, all the trigonometric calculation vanishes last time. See, if you got capacity is there. See, this is midpoint of this member. So, if this is 3.5, if you come to midpoint, the height is undoubtedly half of this height. If it is 3.5, 1.75. See, we got last time. Then, this distance is, see, if you want this distance, not required. See here. When you project this point here, and when you project this point here, see, this is how much? This is midpoint of this line. So, this point will be what? Midpoint of A to C dash. A to C dash is what? A to C dash is 4.5. So, midpoint projection 2.25. See, you got 2.25. But last time I not told you. Then, theta 1 you can find easily. Tan inverse of 3.5 by 4.5. Okay. Theta 3 very easy. Tan inverse of 3.5 by 1.5. Last time question I told you theta 2 is equal to theta 3. Why I will tell you equal? If you got capacity, it is not equal for this question. This question not equal. Don't take for granted. See? Why equal? Because see, this triangle and this triangle are similar triangles. See correctly. This height is half of this height. See, this height is half of this height, and this base is half of this base. Why half of this base? Because whatever is the length from A to C dash, what suppose you see A to C dash length, you take something, some x. If you take x, see here, if you take this fullest x, this is what? 2/3 of x. This is 1/3 of x. See, this is 1/3 of x. Then, this is 2/3 of x. When this is 2/3 of x, this is x by 2. Why? Midpoint. So, this distance will be, if you can understand, it is what? 2/2. See, this is what? From here to here is 2 by 3. It is 2 by 3 minus, this is half of x. 2 by 3 minus half of x is 6 common, that is 4 minus 2, 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of x. Which one? Not 1 by 3 of x1 means calculate it. Sometimes what happens is ABCD problem. 2 by 3 of x, this is C. If you can understand that one. This is what? This distance is what? 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3 of x. This is x by 2. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is exactly 1 by 6 of x. This is 1 by 6 of x. 1 by 6 of x. Then see, this is height, this height is half of that height. This base is half of that base. Oh, in that case, this angle equal this angle. If you understand, okay, or leave it here from this here and leave it here. But that trick will not work out this question. Okay, now come to our question. Actually, I not told last time. Then I suddenly decided, okay, tricks. There may be some people who are interested. For them I am telling. So, others all, what you do is, never bother about this thing. See, I will remove this one now. This I will remove now. Full I will remove. Come to this question. Now start. Now fresh start. See, those who got difficulty for understanding all these concepts, oh, this angle should be equal to that angle. So, trigonometric calculation last time not required, but this time required. This time required. Okay, therefore, see, already. Now do one thing. Now start our today's class question. Start today's question. That is question 17. Okay. I told you already, for finding reactions, you require AD dash and DD dash. These are required. If these are calculated, you can find reactions. And one more thing, once you get AD dash and DD dash, you can find theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. So that you can go to method of joint. Okay. Now see correctly. First do one thing. See. First you see, you consider this triangle. ADF. This is right angle triangle. This is theta 1. And this baseline is known 3. So if you know theta 1, you can find this distance. So what you do is, before you start, first find theta 1. To find theta 1, consider this triangle. That is triangle AC, C dash. If you consider triangle AC dash, see, tan theta 1 equal to CC dash by AC dash. See, I write if you want. Actually, I wrote direct answer there. Okay, I write here. Tan theta 1 equal to CC dash by AC dash. CC dash is 3.5. AC dash is 3 plus 1.5, 4.5. You get theta 1. This theta 1 is same as last time question. So, theta 1 you got. Now, next. Once you get theta 1, you have to find this distance. What you do is, theta 1 is known, still not known. See, now you consider this triangle. See, this triangle. ADF, AFD, okay, AFD, which is also what? Right angle triangle. Why? Because today's class, they told 90 degrees here. This is right angle triangle. So, you already got what? Theta 1. I want A to D. If you want A to D, see this angle theta 1, what happens now? This is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. Cos theta, this is hypotenuse. Why? 90 is here. Cos theta 1 equal to AD divided by AF. See, where I wrote AD by AF. AF is 3 meter. Theta 1 is already known. Now you substitute, therefore you get the value of AD. See, this AD came, this AD came now, 2.3681 meter AB. Once you get this length, now consider this triangle. Again right angle triangle, but remember this triangle, right angle is here. Now this becomes hypotenuse. Now write cos theta 1 equal to AD dash by AD. AD dash by AD. AD is just now calculated. How much? 2.3681. Theta 1 is known. you get the value of AD dash equal to 1.8693. That is AD dash. And sin theta 1 equal to BD dash divided by AD. Sin theta 1. Therefore, AD is known, theta 1 known, you get the value of DD dash. So, our question now, see, therefore, right here. Therefore, for our question, we got D to D dash, the height, D to D dash, how much you got? 1.4539 meter, and A to D dash, horizontal length, as, where is it? 1.8693 meter. Okay. With this value right here, with this value, you can find support reactions. We can find support reactions. Okay, right? But right here, but little later, when you go to method of joint, you require theta 2 and theta 3. What you do is, instead of wasting once again diagram there, use the, so therefore, after finding reaction, we do not want to write the sketch. Sketch is already there. Use the same sketch. See, use the same sketch. Now only find theta 2, theta 3. Okay. First find here. Lastly, see here. Come here. How I explained, you carry out that way. Don't see the board. See, lastly, tan theta 3. Where is it? Tan theta 3 equal to, see this triangle. See, this triangle. Tan theta 3, which is CFC dash. CFC dash. Tan theta 3 equal to CC dash divided by FC dash. You get 66.801. That is same as last time. Okay. Actually, see, reactions, I already got it there. I will tell you why. Okay, now, lastly, theta 2 required. See, what I will do in offline class is ask the students how to get theta 2, tell me. Then first, sometimes I will pretend as if theta 2, oh, if you want theta 2, you consider, see, this triangle. Sir, somebody will tell from the class, sir, you consider a triangle, they will tell, sir, consider a triangle, which triangle? D dash F, D dash F. That is same as what you have done last time. There, tan theta 2 equal to, how much I will ask, how to get it? D dash divided by D dash F. D dash F. Then I will tell the students, but D dash F is, see, D dash is already known. Just now you calculate how much. See, we got the answer. 1.4539. 1.4539. Okay. But D dash F is not known. I will tell, see my face now. But D dash F is not known. What to do? Someone will tell, sir, this is 3 meters, sir. A to F is 3 meters. Okay. So what? Sir, we know AD dash. Oh, yes, correct. So I will tell, sorry, I got confused. They won't believe me. Oh, correct. See, A to F is how much? A to F is 3 meter. And A to D dash is, how much you got? 1.8693 meter. Therefore, your D dash F equal to what? This 3 meter minus 1.8693. Oh, I will tell the students, I will tell, you are so kind-hearted. See, I was wondering what to do. Your help is really tremendous help. I will remember you throughout my lifetime. Then they know. People will be knowing something I am doing. Okay, I will tell 3 minus 1.8693 coming 1.1307. Yes, 1.1307. If you substitute here, 1.4539 by 1.1307 reciprocal into 1.4539 equal to shift tan inverse answer 52 point, which one you will get theta 2 equal to 52.12, actually 127 came, it should be 125 degrees, 0.002 error because approximation. Then I will tell them, you are studying engineering, yes, think a little, okay, that is what you have done last time. But see, open your eyes. I will tell, open your eyes. Then we will tell, oh, sir. Yes. What, sir? What, sir? Sir. What to do, sir? Confusion, sir. You directly see here, directly see triangle ADF. This is a right angle triangle, 90. So therefore, theta 2 is 90 minus theta 1. Yes, sir, correct. Because why? This is 90. See, right angle triangle. Last time you can't do because it was not right angle triangle. This was joined to midpoint here. Be careful. Last time question, this was joined to midpoint there. It was not right angle. So last time we have to do this calculation. But today, yes, sir. How much? 90 minus theta 1. Theta 1 is 37.875. Tell the answer. 90 minus 37.875. 90 minus 37.875 is 52.125 degrees. Yes, sir, correct. Where is the answer here? 52.125 degrees. Where I wrote just now answer? 52.125. Then I will tell them, don't feel bad. This is difference between you and me. Last time what I told, you remembered it. But you never thought so far. This is a right angle triangle. If this is 90, this full triangle, see, red color triangle. If this is theta 1, see, I will tell them 90 degrees, 30 degrees. Tell this angle 60. How you told? Sir, then why can't you do here? Yes, sir, I told. So, then someone will ask me, sir, how this idea comes? It won't idea come. It is mathematical instinct. Okay, therefore, theta 2 you got. Therefore, remember, I will tell you now only. Later, when I go to method of joint, I will enter 37.875. I will enter here 52.125. I will enter here theta 3. Where is theta 3? 66.801 degrees. Okay, everything cleared. Now, first go for calculation of support reactions. I need not explain. Still I will explain. Okay. Okay, now we'll continue. See, don't see that side. Calculation of support reactions. I already noted the answer there. I will rub it out. See, first, usual formality. I should not tell. A is roller support. Reaction perpendicular to the plane of the roller RA equal to VA. B is hinged support. Horizontal reaction, vertical reaction. I am 100% sure H is like this. But I am taking generally right side. Why? Everybody should understand. Otherwise, someone will tell, sir, why you took left side like that? Okay, usually you take right side, sir. Okay. Then, I entered all the forces. See, 3, 3, 3. 1.8693. We got it. I already got it. This also 1.8693. This height or this height, see, this height and this height both are same, 1.4539. Full height is 3.5. Start. Take moment about B. Why B? You write here. I told you, whenever you find reactions, when you apply sigma m0, always take moment about the point where unknowns are more. I told, make a practice. Okay, come to B. I'll put the finger at B here. Those who want write VA into 0, HA into 0. Okay, start. V, it is VB. Oh, it is not VA, it is VB. Okay, print mistake. VB, HP. Okay. Here, correct. See, write on VB, HP. Okay. VB into 0, HB into 0. Now see, VA into 9, clockwise. Okay, now start here. 5 into this height, 1.4539, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, 10 into this distance, 1.8693. Minus 6 into, from here to here is what? 3 plus these two are 1.5 each. See, you know it, both are 1.5. So, here, minus 6 into 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5. Then, see, moment here. 8 into 3.5, clockwise. Moment about B. Minus 12 into, from B up to here is 9 minus 1.8693. 9 minus 1.8693 is 7.1307. You want to check the answer. Correct actually. 9 minus 1.8693 is, calculator is not on. 9 minus 1.8693 is 7.1307. So, see, 12 into this distance. I explained in the class how I got 7.137 because 9 minus that distance. Then see, plus 6 into this height. Where is height? This height, 6 into this height, 1.4539. Then easily minus 7 into 3 minus 4 into 6 equal to 0. VA will come 16.312 kilonewton. Okay, then sigma V0, continue here. See, from there you come here. See, after this one, you come here. Come here. Sigma V0, upward positive. I am wasting my time. Plus VA plus VB, minus 12, minus 6, minus 10, minus 7, minus 4 equal to 0. Substitute whatever VB you got, whatever VA you got just now, you get VB 22.688 kilonewton. And lastly, sigma H0, right side positive, plus HB, plus 6, plus 8, minus 50, HA will come minus 9 kilonewton. Okay, now class. What all I dictate, right? Draw one neat sketch here. It is called star sketch. Heading, calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. Enter here. What the VA, we got a plus. Enter whatever you got VA. VB correct, but HB, we took right side, negative came, take left side. These angles all I told you. These two are 37, little space problem is there. 37.875, 37. You write it a bigger sketch actually. Use a big page so that neatly you can write. 37.875, 52.125, 66.801. Now, when everything is over, now class. Now this question is 100% same as last question. That is question number 16. Where say somebody will tell sir angle difference, values are different, but 100% same as last time. The last time question, see, we started from A. After A, we went to D. After D, F. See, then we went to B. Then E, G. We checked at C. Do the same procedure. Joint by joint, calculate somewhere there and come and enter the answer here. Over. Now, see, now I will solve myself and give answer. Give answer. You get it. Okay, you get the answer. Now I will solve it myself and give the answer. You get it. Okay, 1 minute now. I'll write here now. It neatly because this I am using for photo thumbnail. Now I will solve myself and enter the answer. enter the answer. You get it. You get it if you are serious. If not serious, do whatever you want. Okay. Now I will do one thing now. I will pause the recording. I will sit somewhere there. I won't stand in front of you and enter. You know I can do it directly without using any writing, directly using calculator. I got a capacity to enter the answer. Why should I stand? I don't have to show it to you. You already seen it. People who come to my class, they know it. So I don't have to show to them. So what I will do? I will take a paper there. I will not write anything on the paper. I will write the sketch and use calculator and get the answer. I will tell you correctly, honestly, or sincerely, how much time I took, I will tell you. When I start calculating, I'll see the watch and let you know. Okay, wait. I entered the answer. I will show you the paper. See, this is a paper I solved. See, nothing this side. Something is there, some names are there, it is not a problem. Some friction question is there, see. What I did, I copied from here, I did not count the time. When I sat there with the pen and started calculating, I got it. Even remember, I applied the check also at C. I applied the check also at C, over. Exactly, little more than 2 minutes. The seconds got 2 turn, 2 minutes and maybe 3 or 4 seconds. Little more. I saw what there. I wanted to complete within 2 minutes. But see, here there is a problem. Both are inclined unknown. But what I do? I once resolved perpendicular to this member, then resolved normal. So for me, simultaneous equation will not come. But don't try to do it. Dangerous. How I solved last time, you solve that way, get the answer. If you want, really gain the knowledge. Use all this what I am giving, use this and improve the knowledge. And now get ready next class for question number 18. Thank you. Next class we will meet. So, see, I told I took 2 minutes. You take 20 minutes, okay, no problem. As you practice more and more and more, maybe one fine day, you will reach 5 minutes. Less than that, don't try. Don't imagine you will get. Maybe very rare people, very rare. Otherwise, 5 minutes is okay. It is very high speed. For your level, right now it may take more than half an hour in the beginning for you. Bring it down. As a practice, mistake should not happen. If you can reduce your speed or so that you can finish what I did in 2 minutes. If you can do in 5 minutes, it is extraordinary, satisfactory from your side. I will feel my class is worth then. Less than 2 minutes. If anybody can do, let me know. Less than 2 minutes. If anybody can know, let me know. Okay. But remember, including check also. Okay. Thank you. Next class we will meet.